Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just did a video yesterday on blend, and then somebody watched it and suggested I try the counterclockwise. So we're going to blend just a direct blend. We're going to hit apply, go and put new path, click on our path. We're going to blend along full path and rotate all object, and you get that. Well, look what happens if we blend it, the color blend, clockwise and hit apply. You get a total, it's like picking the colors of the rainbow between. Now, it doesn't do really too much difference. If you look, the red is down here and the purple's down here. If we go counterclockwise, basically it just flipped it. So that's not that special. It does have its purpose. But what's cool about this, if you draw two lines and one of them's red, tell you what, let's make it 10 points so you can, well, that's not even going to see it. A little bit different. Make a duplicate of that. And let's make it yellow. And now let's blend them on a normal path. And you get that. Look what happens when you blend it clockwise. Well, there we go. It's taking the yellow from the red, and I'm not sure, maybe every thing in the rainbow. Pretty cool effect. And don't always forget that you can try to select that one line and you can move it and it'll stay with your blend. Let's try what happens when we look at that. When you mirror it the other way, you get a total different look. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.